What's up guys? In this video I'm going to introduce to you the GeoGebra 6.0 environment. This is not really a new app, but since I haven't discussed this in this channel, let's have an overview of the new environment. So first, these are some of the changes. Before, the input bar can the input bar was located at the bottom of the window if you open GeoGebra, but this time it's here at the left side, top left. And then of course we have here the graphics view, and at the bottom we have the calculator. In the previous versions we don't have calculator at the bottom. And of course we still have another change is the menu bar. In GeoGebra 5.0, the menu bar is located at the top, while here it's located at the top right. So if you click this, you'll see the menu bar, and of course here is the style bar. Okay, so basically these are the changes, very small changes in GeoGebra, but in the next tutorials we will be using this version. Alright, so that's it for the short video. I hope you will share this video with your friends, because in the next video we will learn more about GeoGebra.